Everyone, my name is ASFIYANAAZ. I have recently completed my bachelor's degree in computer science in computer science with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning from Mahavir Institute of Science and Technology affiliated with JNTU. I have joined Pyspiders in the month of May. Before joining here, I had zero coding knowledge, and today, fortunately, I ended up having a placement. Rafiq sir, Gagandeep sir, Geeta ma'am, and Saga sir were my trainers. Their phenomenal and excellent teaching has helped me a lot. Yeah. In here, HRs are very helpful. They have helped me in getting requirements. Here trainers have helped me a lot from clearing doubts to completing my projects and all. And those mock sessions, grooming sessions has helped me a lot to crack this interview. Yeah, and I'll always be grateful to the entire Pyspiders team. Thank you.